Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change currency symbol in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel and simply select the cell, go to the Home tab. In Numbers group, click on this drop down list and click on the currency option. And you can see here the currency format is added. Okay. If you want to change the currency symbol, simply right click of the mouse, click on the Format Cells option, and here the Format Cells dialog box is open. Just click on the first tab, the number. In category, click on the currency, and here you can see the preview of selected amount with currency symbol. Okay. You can decrease here the decimal places. Just click on this down arrow and you can see here the changes on the preview. When I click on 0, the decimal is removed. Okay. To change the symbol, here the symbol option, just click on this drop down arrow, drag below and select the symbol those you want. So there are here you can see the all symbols is available. I select here the dollar. After select, you can see here in preview also showing the dollar sign. Okay, that's it. Just click on OK and here you see. Here the decimal also remove and with dollar currency symbol also change. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.